Hi guys, it's me, Mousree, and welcome back to Cope with Mousree. So, it's a game. I'm sorry for the delay, and I wish I can do more videos in a week, like 2 and more. Actually, my school is going on, and in early beginning of the channel there was lockdown. So, let's start. And there is also a code behind the camera. I will also show the code after me. There's a mermaid, and there's only two levels. There's two person and mermaid, and there's one more surprise. I will click on the next and you come, and there is one more elf. And you should add many much more levels. I don't have any time, so I just give only two levels. Well, so you guys can see there that there is a mermaid, refresh it, and we can do this for the mermaid. And my favorite suit is this. I do love it. And you may also like it. I don't know why I don't like the color. I like this color too, and purple blue. I love the blue and purple color. I'm sorry. What is going on? Okay. Now next. There's purple too. I wish to make it first. And this is something which is the color not matching. Actually, it's knit. Okay, knit. You may heard about knit. So this is knit, and knit. Oh, sorry, I forget something, and I just want to show you this thing. Is I forget this. I forget. Fine. Now I do love this one, but yes, this is a cute color. You can also change the belt and make more variants. It's okay. I didn't. Yes, I like the color, and the shoe colors are also changed. Okay guys, let's start the tutorial.